Hi there, this is your June 9th math review video. We have patterns to start with. It says start with the number 97 and subtract 9 for each term. So I have 97 as the first term. I'm going to use the same strategy I used yesterday, which is subtract 10, because that's easy to do in my head, and then just add one more to make it 9 instead of 10. So 97 minus 10 is 87, so 80. But since that's subtracting 10, we only need to subtract 9. It's not going to be 87, it's going to be 88. 88 minus 10 is 78, but it's really going to be 79 since we're only subtracting 9. 79 minus 9 makes it 70. And then 70 minus 9 is 61. Go ahead and give yourself a star for completing the pattern. And let's move on to what's next, the zero rule. So we have 11 times 30 and 1,000 times 60. So take off, cover the zero. 11 times 3 is 33. There's 1 0 in the equation, so add 1 0. 1,000 times 60. So take off all the zeros. 1 times 6 is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ones, tens, hundreds, comma. So 11 times 30 is 330, and 1,000 times 60 is 60,000. Go ahead and give yourself a star for each of those problems. Next, we have equivalent fractions. So we have 2 pi fractions, and then we are looking at the 2 fractions to see how they're equivalent. So this first one is cut into 5 pieces. The denominator will be 5. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's not perfect, but hopefully you get the idea. And then the other pie is cut into 10. Okay, I'm going to start by cutting them into 5. And then since 5 times 2 is 10, I'm going to split all of these pieces into 2. And I now have 10. On the first one, there's 3 of them shaded in. So 3/5. And on the second one, there's 6 shaded in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So even though they're at different angles, you can still see that there's the same amount shaded in. So 3/5 is equivalent to 6/10. Give yourself a star for each of these fractions. And then finally, we have our word problem. Oliver has 12 books. He can put 2 books on each shelf. How many shelves does he need? So if there's 12 books divided by 2 on each shelf, there are 6 shelves. So Oliver can put his books on 6 shelves. That's a funny word. Shelf, singular, or one shelf ends in an F. If it's plural, it changes to VES. All right, so you can get a star for the answer of 6, and you can get a star for a sentence with capital letter, answer, and punctuation. At the top of your page, draw your fraction bar. I'm guessing you have 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep. Your denominator 7. Count up your stars. Put how many you earned as the numerator. And I'll see you tomorrow.